我们之前见证了世界汉学家们的四川之行，他们的旅程虽然已经结束，但思考与行动正悄然开始。
我也很好奇，他们会如何消化这份独特的四川体验。
那就让我们在接下来的短片中，一起来看看汉学家们回到自己的国家之后，将如何把四川的种子播撒回各自的文化土壤，孕育出新的交流之花。
思想的碰撞孕育理解，而理解的深化终将转化为务实的合作。
During the event, China in the Eyes of Sinologists, a culture tour in Sichuan, Mr. Tembe, a sinologist from South Africa, posed a question at the opening ceremony. In today's globalized world, how can we build a new framework for cross-cultural exchange? I can't help but wonder if Mr. Tembe found his answer by the end of the journey, and what kinds of exchange activities these sinologists are planning for the future.
My name is Professor Paul Tembe, director of the Stellar Encounters. Stellar Encounters is a cross-cultural communication strategies and policy research center. I teach and I'm in South Africa. It's like we say sometimes we hold conferences and there's people reading papers in the conferences. But during a tea break or during lunch, you have conversations with different people and then bingo, you have your answer. So this is what happened to me this time around as well. So I'm using 一个字, just use one word in my framework of cross-cultural cooperation for a partnership of equals. Respect, mutual benefit. It is reciprocity. Reciprocity. You do to other and as that other does to you. So it's one variable among other variables that I will find in future or that will emerge as I do these interviews, as I do my research and as I write my books. So reciprocity, 是一部分, one of the variables of this framework that is going to come together. We already have beautiful foundations, win-win situation, mutual understanding, mutual respect, mutual benefits. Let's work together and harvest together. So the only thing that I can do at this point in time is to reciprocate the hospitality and the understanding of the Chinese people. That helps me as a sinologist to have another perspective of China. The two projects I'm having now, they excite me because that shows that the journey to Sichuan, it was not for nothing. It's bearing fruits. During our book fair in South Africa, I want to invite all writers we met in Beijing and in Sichuan. I understand South Africa from a South African perspective, from a South African scholar, from a South African professor, from another South African writer. So I'm looking at a good future, a future beyond politics, a future of people-to-people exchange.
Hello everyone, my name is Jan Zhivtrop, and right now I'm in Haikou, China. I think traveling around the world, traveling around China, they all bring a lot of information to a person. Because basically every province in China are full of interesting places and people. I think those kind of experiences are valuable for everyone. Because what is more valuable than interacting with real people, real culture, is because I'm like a translator and a sinologist. I have to get this kind of proper experience to be able to discern what actually happens. Is that I'm going to translate more books. I'm thinking about what can I do. I'm thinking about how I can move those two nations together. How can I get China and Poland slightly closer for literature? And I really hope it will all work out and I will be able to bring the culture to Poland or vice versa.
Now that the tour has concluded, I believe Mr. Tembe has indeed found his answer. Those vivid scenes, real faces, and sincere conversations have quietly pieced together a picture of that answer. The essence of cross-cultural exchange lies in every genuine encounter and heartfelt sharing. The Sichuan tour may be over, but reflection and action have only just begun.